Okay, this time we will unboxing the Joiway. We buy this in the event in the Grand City. This is Joiway. What is this? Let's see inside. This is our pots. This is our pots. The price is like this. Joiway. This is the price list in Indonesia. Surabaya Fair special promo. It's one pot, cartridge, lanyard, liquid. 200,000 become 100k. This is the bigger bong. Galaxy with liquid. 200, 250. And this is very economic. Okay, like that. This is the things I buy. I tried 100k. Color is ocean. This is the refill. This is the lanyard. They said 100,000. Let's see inside this. Refill pot. Okay, this is the lanyard. You can use it around your neck. This is the changing the cut. This is the core cartridge. In vape area is cartridge. This is the refill. This is the liquid, vape liquid. This juta fish melt. 1% nicotine menthol. It's any original cukai Indonesia. This is not the real price. Real price is 35 grand. Careful, this product include nicotine, glycol, glycerin, vegetable glycerin, created by PT Revolusi Sejuta Rasa. Okay. Next, this is the things. Okay, designed by Joiway in Shenzhen, assembly in China. Refill cartridge. Okay, capacity is 3 milli. Battery 520 should be 21. Avoid kids, pregnant. Free if human error. Distributor is like a handphones, you see the box. Ocean Joiway looks like an iPhone design, I think. Okay, let's see inside. Oh, first you must be here in here. So hard to find it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, should be tear down here too. Whatever. Voila. Nice smooth this. Take it out. Oh, Joiway S1. You have a manual book in here, not guarantee cut. This is instruction how to use, and do not like this. This is the things. Okay, let's take it out. Voila. Very nice. Wow. Okay, you maybe cannot read that. Oh, you can see for adult, avoid child, and minimum use 21. Input battery and capacitors cartridge 2 milli, made in China. Oh, this is the charging port, type C. Yeah, type C. Charging port, Joiway embossed in the body. This is the module, I think. This is the cartridge, I think. We take it off. Should be easy liquid dulu. Okay. Oh, this is that things, the same things for this. Okay. Where to easy liquid dulu? Oh, this is just, and you can, oh, just, you can just take it with here. Okay, let's see how to use. I never used this before. So this is cartridge, yes. Where is this? Closer. This is cartridge. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, this one. To fill with liquid. How about this? You can see this. Oh yes, too. Indicator lamp in here. Pot stick in indicator type C. First, take off cartridge. Take off a sticker. Okay, open open this, and fill and put it back, and you can use it like that. Voila. Okay, I think we not use this first. I think I will use this first, because this is look one color with this. Oh, this is with magnetized. It looks so compact. How if we use this first? Actually, let's be unboxing this too. So this is the things that we should put. Oh wow, that's cool, man. This looks different. Okay, let's try to fill it here. First we open this, fill, something like this. See, it's rather big. This is smaller. I don't know why. It's not exactly same. Okay, let's reopen this too. Oh, and inspired that for these things. It have seal. Push turn. Okay, Juta face melt. Okay, push and turn. Okay, push and turn. Oh, like that. Push and turn. Okay, and then inside this liquid bottle is like this. You can see this is not opened yet. doesn't know how to open this. You must be filled to this. Okay. Wait. Let me see. Okay, guys, we must be open with this, I think. I never playing this before, so I'm sorry. Okay, after we open this deep enough, I cut. You just fill in here. Okay, I will fulfill it this first. After you fill this, you can see it's move like that, and we close the lid. Okay, I will wash my hand first. Okay, I will close this first. Pop like that, and we already put this stuff. I put not full, minimum and maximum in here, I think. Okay, let's try combustion and the battery terminal, I think. Just put in there. Okay, and then let's run the indicators. Let's be trying to sucks from here. Let's go. Okay, indicator is turned on like this. Like that. Okay, good, smell good, feel good. By the way, this is a cigarette. So this is Joiway. Thank you for watching.